Oh! No! No! Welcome back, and today I did two things: lure fishing and live bait fishing. But if you do enjoy my videos, click the subscribe button because there's going to be plenty more videos coming out. Other than that, I'm getting straight into the action, so I hope you enjoy. Using a soft plastic, I'm going to do some lure fishing. First cast and I hit a snag. Nah, it's stuck in there good. I'll just sacrifice this lure then. Wow. We'll just get out of here. A lot of mosquitoes here as well. Well, sorry that I had to cut that short. I tried to do something different, do some lure fishing, and I failed on the first cast. I think I cast it onto a rock or something, and I basically just snagged myself instantly and lost my lure just like that. Well, it's not the end of that. I still have another bag of soft plastics, and I'll get back to that later. But as you can see, I am on some kind of rock ledge. There's barely any foot space. One wrong move and I'll just slip straight into the water. So much structure here. There's fallen tree branches. There's like a mangrove bush over there. And there's just all these massive rocks here and covered in oysters. So I'm hoping that there's something good down here. Oh, stupid fish, you just got yourself all dirty. That wasn't too bad. I might have to change locations, but I do not want to go back up there. The winds are insane today. They're around 30 kilometers or more. That is why I'm down here, because I've got the trees and rock ledge shielding me from all the wind. Well, the bait's still on there, nothing's taken it. I think, yeah, it got stuck on some grass or something. Oh, it's really heavy. This is not a stingray. I'm getting lots of head shakes. Oh yeah, this is so good. I've got the sun there, so I just need them. Oh. Oh, come on. I think it's underneath a rock or something. Oh, that was close. It's got me underneath a rock. Just try and pull it out. Oh. Okay, got it out. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Get over here, you. No, it's got me underneath another rock. Oh no, come on, come on. Can't do this to me. It's got me underneath another rock. What I'm going to do is just set the drag loose and just put my rod down, and hopefully it'll swim back out when it feels that there's no more tension on the line. It's one thing I could try. Hopefully it works. So I'll be right back after about maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Finally! I'm not too sure. Oh, it's running. This is. Oh, let me get back down. Oh, I don't know. It's got me underneath a rock. Oh, come on, come on. I've been waiting. Yeah, it's come out. I've got it out. What is it? I'm swimming underneath another rock. Oh, what is that? Oh, holy, that is a massive brim. Check that out. Look how big this brim is. It's got a really, really fat belly. Oh yeah. Got the circle hook right inside of its mouth. Perfect hook set. So here's the brim that I just caught. I've got it here on the ruler, and it's about 34-35 centimeters to the tip, and to the fork it's about 31. But you know, this fish is nice and healthy. It's got a fat belly. It's been feeding well, or maybe there's just eggs in there. But one thing I noticed is the eye over here. It's a bit messed up. It's missing the eyeball. If you look over here, that's what it should look like, but over here it's just like Nothing. There's no eyeball. So it's probably been attacked, or maybe it was just born like that, I don't know. But other than that, it was absolutely awesome catching this fish, and I'm gonna release it. Oh, I just slipped, but fish is gone. Oh. This looks like a really good spot. This was the mangrove bush that I saw before, and it looks like there's gonna be fish hiding somewhere in there. Like honestly, if I was a fish, I hide in there and ambush whatever swing past. But yeah, I put on another lure, and this is like a sort of a herring imitation. Nice blue color. Hopefully there's something in here. Oh no. Oh, I hit a snag. There's too many snags in here. There's like rocks and branches and all of that. No. There's got to be something in here. No. Oh man, there's so many mosquitoes here. Oh. I've probably spooked all the fish. Oh, no, no. Oh no. Okay. What is okay, the wind's getting too strong down here. Can get back away, back out. Stupid trees. I'm out. Oh, that was a complete nightmare. I was right in there. Such a tight squeeze down. I've got another fish on, and this one is a stingray, a really big one. Oh yeah. It's not fighting. That's weird. Oh, there it goes again. Oh, no. Okay, this doesn't feel like a stingray anymore. I'm getting head shakes. No, it's not head shakes. It's actually my line rubbing against some rocks, I think. Oh, I just lost it. Yeah. That was it. Cut me off clean. Another bait going in. Oh. Still going. I don't think I'm gonna get this in, because all the other times it just cuts me off. Eventually, of course. There's too many rocks around here. Oh, it's all the way up there now. Oh, hopefully I might get it in. Oh, if it goes around that mangrove bush over there, I might have some problems. Still going. Yeah, it's stuck on the bottom. Oh, it's coming in. Oh. Okay, I think I might actually get this. It's actually swimming towards me. I think... Oh yeah. This is going to be my first stingray on this rod. Get in here, you. It's getting closer. Man, these ugly stick GX2s are actually really strong. They're able to pull in the stingray. Oh, it's running, it's going for a run. I might actually get another one of these rods. They're really good. Oh, it's stuck on the bottom again. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for a while actually. It's stuck on the bottom pretty well. Let's try this actually. I'm gonna release some line. Hopefully it starts swimming again. I got it moving again. The plan worked. Oh. Oh, it's been about like 10 minutes now and I still haven't got it in. This is the longest I've ever lasted. You learn from your previous mistakes. Oh yeah, it's finally moving again. Come on, get over here. Oh no. Oh, there it goes again. Oh. Come on. Oh yeah, come on, come on. I might actually get it. Oh no, tree. There it is. I did it. Oh. No, no. I actually did it, guys. But it cut me off on that rock right there. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but oh no, yeah. Oh no, no. I wish I could have got that on camera again. It was like right then, just like a meter in front of me, I could see it. There is a massive storm inbound from the south right now. And this side it's pretty clear, but this side is a massive cloud. But anyway, that's the end for today. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.